Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series, part number 37, question number 976. Where is the Noor Mahal located? Bahawalpur. Where is the Noor Mahal located? Bahawalpur. When was the Indus Water Treaty signed? Correct answer 19 September 1960. Indus Water Treaty was signed 19 September 1960. When did Abdul Qadir Khan died? 10 October 2021. 10th October 2021. Abdul Qadir Khan died 10th October 2021. Contour is a measure of topography. Contour is a measure of topography. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Lucknow Pact was signed between India Congress and Muslim League. Lucknow Pact was signed between India Congress and Muslim League. Who wrote the famous novel Mr. Chips? James Hamilton. Who wrote the famous novel Mr. Chips? James Hamilton. In which sport players are compete for Ryder Cup? The correct answer, golf. Which sport players are compete of Ryder Cup? Golf. Cairo is called City of Bazaars. Cairo is famous for City of Bazaars. Name the world's largest flower. Rafflesia. The world's largest flower, Rafflesia. What is the currency of Turkey? Lira. The currency of Turkey, Lira. How many amendments of Nehru report proposed by Quaid-e-Azam? 3. 3 amendments of Nehru report proposed by Quaid-e-Azam. How many amendments of Nehru report proposed by Quaid-e-Azam? 3. Apple Cart famous novel was written by G.B. Shaw. Apple Cart was written by G.B. Shaw. Who was the viceroy at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred? Lord Chelmsford. Who was the viceroy at the time of Jallianwala Bagh? Lord Chelmsford. Who are the current governor Punjab province of Pakistan? Muhammad Baligur Rahman. Governor of Punjab, Muhammad Baligur Rahman. Who was the president of Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam? Khalifa Hamiduddin. Who was the president of Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam? Khalifa Hamiduddin. Khalifa Hamiduddin was the president of Anjuman-e-Hamayat-e-Islam. Who moved the Lahore Resolution 1940? A.K. Fazl Haq. Lahore Resolution was presented by A.K. Fazl Haq. Quaid-e-Azam joined the Muslim League 1913. Quaid-e-Azam joined the Muslim League 1913. Quaid-e-Azam was joined the Muslim League 1913. Father name of Shah Waliullah? Shah Abdul Aziz. Father of Shah Waliullah? Shah Abdul Aziz. Father name of Shah Waliullah? Shah Abdul Aziz. Who started the Frazi movement of Bengal? Haji Shariatullah. Frazi movement in Bengal started by Haji Shariatullah. Frazi movement was started by in Bengal Haji Shariatullah. War of Independence 1857 was started from Meerut. War of Independence 1857 started from Meerut. And which date War of Independence was started? 10th May 1857. War of Independence 1857 was started from Meerut and date was 10th May 1857. War of Independence of 1857 was started from Meerut and date 10th May 1857. Slavery in America was abolished by Abraham Lincoln. Slavery in America was abolished by Abraham Lincoln. ECO replaced the RCD. ECO is Organization Economic Corridor. replaced by RCDO, Regional Cooperation Development. Economic Cooperation Organization replaced the name Regional Cooperation Development. Date was 1985. In 1985, ECO replaced by RCD. The largest railway station of Pakistan, Lahore railway station. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.